Hello friends, I am Ryan. Welcome to my channel.
Hello Ryan.
Hello Appa.
Ryan, one more unboxing. So try similar soprano, maybe this song.
This is not soprano.
This is not soprano. There is no hole at the back. So this is a D scale flute. Okay. So when you close all the holes you close. No. Left hand you have to hold 3 holes and right hand 3 holes. Now you blow. This is D scale. Okay.
Very tough.
Huh? It's tough.
Yes.
You don't know the notes, nah? When you learn the notes, how to play the notes, then you can play the song.
Oh, that hole is very.
Yes, so this is Irish whistle. Okay, it's called tin whistle. Okay, that's how the Irish whistle is. Not all scales are in, holes are same. Okay. You have to practice this a lot. Notes are new, so it will be very challenging for you to play this. Okay, so we'll learn the notes. We'll learn how to play the notes on this, and then we'll show people. After knowing how to play the notes,
Yes.
after knowing how to play the notes, we'll show to everyone. Okay,
Yes.
how to play the tin whistle. So Ryan, now you've practiced all the notes, right?
Yes.
Okay, so can you show us?
Yes. I will show Twinkle Twinkle.
Okay. Fantastic, Ryan. That's amazing. Huh? Amazing. You learned it in a very short time, huh?
Yes.
So you play that soprano recorder with green color flute and this one. Which one is easy for you?
This one.
This one is easy. Huh? You're able to play very fast, right? This is small and lightweight, right?
Yes.
Fantastic.
That's very fat. That's not fitting my hand.
Okay, so now this is called Irish whistle. Okay,
Okay.
many names: Irish whistle, tin whistle,
Tin
penny
whistle, I know. Penny
Okay.
whistle, I don't know.
Okay,
Nice,
so
nice.
in this also you can play many different tunes.
Oh.
Okay, you will learn it.
Yes.
You will learn these tunes. Okay, amazing, baby. Say bye to your friends.
Bye, friends.